Hi kids, this week you're going to be learning all about an organ in the human body system. So the first thing you need to do is you are going to be assigned an organ by me. And there are different spots that you can go, and I will be putting the links to these websites in Classroom for you. So your job by the end of this activity is that you should be able to give me a description of your organ, including its size, weight, and other important facts. You should be able to tell me the main functions, 4 minimum functions of your organ. You should be able to tell me what organ systems it is included in. So sometimes you have an organ that it has a main system that it's included in, but it also works with other systems such as the heart. How does your organ work with the other systems to keep you healthy? Give 3 examples. Tell me which diseases or disorders affect your organ the most, a minimum of 3. And then you have to be able to tell me, can a person live without your organ and why? So after finishing all your research, you're going to create a poster about your organ, including all the facts you learned through your research. Your poster may be made by hand, or you may make it using this Poster My Wall site, or any other technology you wish. You can even make it on a slide. There are 2 websites linked here to help you with your research. So you're just going to complete these pages as you look these up. So you're going to write a description of your organ that tells me what size it is, the weight, and other important characteristics of it. So is it the size of a fist? What is it? Give me your 4 main functions. Tell me what body system it's part of again. Tell me what systems it works with. You can look these all up. What are some common diseases or disorders? You can look those up as well. And then you're going to insert your poster here with all your labeled parts. And then the last page gives you the rubric. So basically your research is 20 points. That's all these slides before this slide. Your poster is 20 points. Your poster has to have a name and a picture of the organ, which is worth 2 points. You have to have a description, which is 4. The functions are 3 points. The organ systems that it belongs to is 3 points. The functioning with other systems is 3 points. Any diseases or disorders is worth 3 points, and living with or without, and the why is important to get all 2 points. Your poster design is worth a total of 10 points. So is it easy to read and well designed? That means I can look at it and it's very pleasurable to look at, and I can follow along with your thinking. And there's no spelling or grammar errors, so make sure you spell everything correctly. I think you guys will have fun with this. You basically have almost all week to get this done. You'll be working in class together. And remember, I will be assigning you the organ that you are doing. So do not just pick an organ and go. If you're going to pick an organ, you need to get it okayed by me.